store. Plastic between your teeth before we reach the door. She showed up to my room with an armful of booze, got you perfect. You can say what you like, say I'm wasting my life, say I'm worthless. Pheromones that brought us back together for another hit. Your horoscopes and astrology was all shit. But I've been watching your cues, and I know all the right moves to get you ornery. So meet me in the bathroom, and I'm gonna do what I do to get you hungry. You've been spending all my time, and you don't even know me. Always getting fucked up, why do you really need to know me? Roaches in my body.